Good morning, this is Connor from 0DTE Traders here to present our market minute for September 22nd, 2023. It is 10:30 and the SPX is trading higher, up 0.3% to 43.44. So a little relief move after a couple strong down days. And we do have an upside bias today, or upside to sideways. There are most certainly some bullish indications. Positive volume difference on both the NASDAQ and the NYSE, ADD plus 1,000, but most notably, the fact that the VIX is contracting, VIX down 6%. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to move higher, but it is an indication that the downside might be limited. Implied vol comes down, dealers are going to be buyers, so it should keep a bid under the market, and we hold an upside to sideways bias as long as we can hold the previous session's low. So this support zone here at 43.30, 43.25, not to mention there's some significant support down here as well. As far as the upside goes, the first target is G2, this trend line, which we're basically at the moment. A break would open the door to the next resistance level at 43.75, followed by a gap on the upside to about 44.02. Can we see a move of that magnitude? I think that's what's in question here. You know, what can we expect on the upside? In order to really see a move of that magnitude, which would be classified as a squeeze, we need to see some extreme readings on our market internals. Now, I would say the VIX is borderline extreme here, but we want to see ADD start to accelerate and get, you know, ideally plus 2,000, right, up into that range. And if we see that, it's indicating a lot of stocks are participating on the upside, and the SPX could continue higher. So the trend is in the right direction. Is that going to persist? I guess time will tell. Now, just looking at our market report from today, I want to highlight a couple charts. Most notably, the total market gamma, which is now the most negative it's been all year. So there's a lot of gamma to squeeze. If the bulls can catch upside momentum, this is going to invoke short covering flows, which could create a squeeze-like condition in the market. In addition, if we look at volatility risk premium, it is very elevated. Look at the ratio here. We have the 30-day at about 1.7, the 10-day at 1.4. So this is quantifying the difference between implied volatility and realized volatility. So when we get elevated, it does incentivize traders to come out and sell vol, right? There's that added premium, which we're seeing today, right? Due to volatility metrics, most notably the VIX selling off 6-7%. Vol down does invoke buy flows, right? So that does support the market, just as when you get an upside move from negative gamma, it does invoke buy flows. And this is large part why we think the downside is limited today, and there is potential for a squeeze. Is that going to happen today, next week? You know, we don't know for sure. We just know that there is fuel for a squeeze, and ultimately we're looking for a catalyst to spark that. Now, if you want access to our analysis, our daily report, you can visit our website at 0DTEtraders.com. Best of luck out there today.